guys, it's me, James. So today, we're back. We're playing Counterblocks Roblox Offensive again. So, let's get into it. I'm gonna be counter. Okay. Okay guys, it's gonna get louder soon. I put in music, hope you enjoy it. About the past 7, let's go kill some people. Darn it! How did he get me? I shot him so many times. Oh. Wow. Just wow, he's good with the Desert Eagle. He's not gonna make it. Let's go. This is a legendary squid. I hope you guys liked it. I shot him a few times. 46 damage. Okay guys, I'll meet you in the next one. I'm in the next round. Okay guys, they just won again. So we're gonna try harder. So this is hard. I guess I'll follow this guy. Oh crap. Hey, stop boy, you don't kill my friend. I saw him. Stop it, gun. Oh crap. Ouch. Darn it. So close. I horribly did 15 damage. What? Darn it. 26. Seriously, this guy keeps killing me. I don't want this guy. I'm gonna kill him. Let's hope I can. And the song might be changing to make it more interesting. I don't like this guy. What? Lol. We might play another map, but we'll see. Tell me what you... Okay. I forgot what I was... Guys. We might play another map because this map might be really quick. You guys think I'm horrible and I might be bad, but comment down below what game I should play next. And the most comments I get, I'll play that game. Yeah. Till we hit 5 likes, I'd love that. My life goes 5 likes since I told you. Wait, yeah, I did. Okay. Oh, that's him. He's dead. I feel like Purple Masters at the start. I'm going to protect this guy with the hostage. Yep, knew it. Hey. Oh my crapness. Crapness. Oh crap. Okay. I'm probably going to another map. We'll see. Wait guys. I'm gonna check what the score is. I like the Patriots, okay. The Patriots are winning, awesome. If the Patriots win, they go to the Super Bowl, which is amazing. I'm gonna love that. Comment down below if you like Patriots. I need that up. Or whatever you call it, the AWP. Oh. Darn it! I forgot to look that. Nice, bro. Nice. If you guys wondering what my sister is doing, she's doing banner. For Fashion Frenzy! Yeah, because she loves that game. She likes being fashion. I know that sounded weird. Okay. Wanna play some Roblox? Nope, the keyboard is broken. There's no thing. Fight! 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 No, 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 no! Seriously. Long time to have a broken keyboard. Right? Yeah. Um. Need. What? Sorry, just a camera. Yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Well, I don't think he's dead. Come on. Yes. Tell them he's playing music. I'll meet you guys when I'm there. Guys are on the next map. I'm gonna play half the map. I will see how much time I have. So, yeah, we're gonna join. Terrorist. Alright. Ooh, I've never been on this map in such a long time. If you guys want me and my sister to play this game, just tell me in the comments. I know I told you 3 things to type in the comments. First one is, oh darn it, I forgot they fixed it. The first one I said was, comment down below what, game you should play next? Yeah, what game I should play next. So, yeah. And the second one is, comment down below if you like Patriots. And the third one, well, that's not important, but I think it's important. And then the third comment was if I should play with my sister. I think that's enough commenting. Next time I play this game, I am gonna be way better. I'm gonna be practicing all day. I've played this game for such a long time.
Stop playing it and then now you play it again.
Yeah, I know. I have a lot of duplicate skins. Not too much though. Switch the songs up. Yeet yeet.
Yeet. Why do you keep saying yeet?
I like saying yeet, man. Krista, where are you? Naya is no one. It's just a ghost. I'm just kidding.
That's a cousin. Stop calling me my cousin's name. Just kidding.
That's not her cousin. I tried to
It's
paint.
a random name.
I thought of.
I don't have a cousin.
Whoa!
Names.
Yeah, yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh, hey. Hi. Nice to meet you. Oh. Really? Seriously? No kills? Oh, crap! Crapness! Goodness! Goodness gracious!
Gracious.
I think they saw me. Yep. Oh my god. Glacier turtle. I'm gonna get you! So, I think this is gonna be the last map before I end the video. I mean the last round before I end the video. So, what is it? Subscribe. Please subscribe to join the superstars. And I hope you enjoyed. Remember, like, go five likes. If you like, smash that like button. I would love that. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.